Assalamualaikum. A little update from Adiala Road about the Rawalpindi Ring Road project. So I'm heading from Chakri side towards Adiala Road now, and you can see these matching plants over here and on this side also. So this all infrastructure is there for Ring Road. Lovely ducklings, and on my right is Soan River, and soon we are going to hit the Rawalpindi Ring Road, and I would drive you onto Rawalpindi Ring Road side for a while to show you the crossing over the Soan River. So here they have the various setups of the contractors supporting the ring road work, and here we are going to hit the ring road. So probably some excavation work here, which is basically taking out mud and using it to fill onto the other places. So probably I have to overtake this truck. So if we continue onto this metal road, we go and hit Adiala Road, and then subsequently Rawalpindi. And now we are actually onto the ring road, and heading in eastwardly direction, and soon we will be actually crossing over the ring road, crossing over the Soan. The site has been selected, and development work on the bridge is in progress. So a little word of caution: the road conditions are not very good, so probably don't venture into this area unless you have a SUV or a 4x4. Not really very bad, but yes, not suitable for ordinary cars. So work is at full swing. Culverts are being made, drains are being made, and then small bridges for the crossing of local traffic in the area. They all are under construction, and often you would see transit mixers carrying mixed concrete and moving on to different projects in the area. So ring road is on the top here on the right side, and I'm traveling onto the service lane for the construction vehicles, and probably maybe someday it would turn into a service lane or a service road along the ring road. So a lot of filling work has gone in over here, probably to provide foundations for the river, for crossing of the Soan River, crossing of the road over the Soan River. So we have to make a little detour. Look at the amount of the machinery which is actually working over here. So huge piles of steel. So there have been rumors that work on ring road has been delayed, or it's not going as per the required pace. So I think these are like baseless things. So people are working around here. So this camp probably is meant for the bridge which will let the ring road cross over Soan River. So different molding frames over here, and we have to follow like a snail with this tractor trolley carrying concrete for some project. So we are almost on the bank of Soan River. I don't know if I honk, somebody is going to give us place to cross over. So no scope. The place is very narrow. So now I'm on the right side of the ring road, and sorry for little lag in coming over to the river bank, because this place is full of construction vehicles and they move at their own pace. But probably my emphasis on today's video was to assure you that Rawalpindi ring road is there and it's moving on at a very brisk pace, and hopefully it will accrue the designed benefits to the population of the twin cities. So this all is Soan. So right after the trees is the Soan River. So after we succeed in overtaking this vehicle, probably we'll hit the bank of Soan River. So from here this will cross Chakbili Road, and then it will hit National Highway or GT Road at Rabat. And if we travel in the other direction, so after crossing Adiala Road, it will cross over Chakri Road and then cross over M2 and get to the airport. So still I think we have to have a pause here.